Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss exercise problems based on arithmetic progression. Exercise 5.2, sixth main. So the sixth question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5 to so on. So once again I will repeat the question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5 to so on. Solution. So here AP is given. AP is 11, 8, 5 to so on is a given AP. We need to check whether minus 150 is a term of AP or not. So here we need to check that minus 150 is a term of AP or not. So let us assume that. Minus 150 is a nth term of the AP. Minus 150 is a nth term of the AP. Therefore, Tn is equal to minus 150 and A is equal to 11. First term is 11 and D is equal to T2 minus T1. So the common difference is 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So as all we know that the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula to find nth term of an AP. So put the values. Tn is minus 150 is equal to A is 11 plus n we don't know. We need to find the value of n and D is minus 3. So minus 150, the plus 11 moves to left hand side, become minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 150 and minus 11 become minus 161 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus plus 3. 3 ones are 3. So again plus 3 moves to left hand side, it become minus 161 minus 3. Plus 3 moves to left hand side, become minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 161 minus 3. Minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. And minus minus get cancel. 164 divided by 3 is equal to n. Because this 3 multiplication here. So right hand side 3 moves to left hand side, it become division. 3 ones are 3, 5s are 15. 1 is remainder and it become 14. 3 4s are 12 and 2 is remainder. Put a point and it become 20. 6 are 18 and again 6 are 18, like this it will be continuous. Therefore n is equal to 54.66. Since n is coming in decimal, therefore minus 150 is not a term of AP. Minus 150 is not a term of AP. So please remember here. So n is always a positive integer. So n is not a negative integer or not a decimal number. If n is a decimal number or n is a negative integer, not a term of an arithmetic progression. Therefore n is a decimal number. So minus 150 is not a term of the arithmetic progression. And next, seventh one, exercise number 5.2, seventh example. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So once again I will repeat the question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73. Solution. 31st term. Find T31 is equal to how much? And 11th, T11 is equal to 38 and T16 is equal to 73. This is given. And next, T11 is equal to 38 and T16th is equal to 73. We know that how to find nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula to find nth term of an AP. But n is nothing but 11. So T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. But T11 they are given 38. 38 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10D. 38 is equal to A plus 10D, equation number 1. Again T16 is equal to 73. We know that how to find nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equal to 16 here. T16 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. T16 is how much? 73. 73 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 is 15d, called equation number 2. Now we have to eliminate any one value, either a or d. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives. So we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 is 73 is equal to a plus 15d, and equation 1 is 38 is equal to a plus 10d. So while subtracting, the sign become reverse, plus become minus, and plus become minus. 13 minus 8 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 2, 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 35, plus a minus a get cancelled, 15 minus 10, 5d, 5 1s are 5, 7s are 35, so d is equal to 7. Now put d value in equation number 1, either 1 or 2, any one equation, but 1 is easier than the equation 2, so we can put d value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become 38 is equal to a plus 10 into d is 7. 38 is equal to a as it is, 7 tens are 70, and 70 moves to left hand side. 38 minus 70 is equal to a. 38 minus 70 is minus 32. So a is equal to minus 32. Now we need to find the 31st term. So T31 is equal to how much? So how to find 31st term? We know the formula. Nth term of an AP is equal to Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, but we know the value of n also, a also, and d also. Put all the values in this equation. T31 is equal to a is minus 32 plus n is 31 minus 1, d is 7. So T31 is equal to minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30 into 7. T31 is equal to minus 32 plus 210. So T31 is equal to 210 minus 30 is minus 180. 210 minus 30 is 180. 180 minus 2, 178. So T31 is equal to 178. Therefore 31st term of an AP is 178. And next, exercise number 5.2, 8th main. So 8th example is, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So once again I will repeat the question. An AP consists of 50 terms. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find 29th term. Solution. Given that, see here, an AP consists of 50 terms. So the number of terms in AP, n is equal to 50, and the third term is 12. So T3 is equal to 12, and last means 50th term, last term means T50 is equal to 106. Find 29th term. T29 is equal to how much? We have to find the 29th term of an AP. So now T3 is equal to 12. T50 is equal to 106. We know that how to find nth term of an AP. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find a nth term of an AP. N minus 1 into d. Yes, now n is nothing but 3. N is equal to 3. T3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. T3 is given 12. 12 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d, called equation number 1. And same Tn, n is equal to nothing but 50. 50 is equal to a plus 50 minus 1 into d, don't know, right as it is. So T50 is given 106. 106 is equal to a plus 50 minus 1 is 49d, called equation number 2. Then again here we have to eliminate any one value, either a or d. So a coefficient is 1 here and a coefficient is 1. We have to eliminate the value of a. Equation 2 minus 1 gives equation 2 minus equation 1 gives, or subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So the equation 2 is 106 is equal to a plus 49d, and the equation 1 is 12 is equal to a plus 2d. So while subtracting, the sign become reversed. 106 minus 12, 6 minus 2 is 4, 10 minus 1 is 9, 1 minus 1 0, 94. So plus a minus a get cancel. 49 minus 2 is 47d. 47 1s are 47 2s are. So d is equal to 2. Now put d value in equation number 1. Put d value in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become 12 is equal to a plus 2 into d is 2. 12 is equal to a plus 2 2s are 4, and 4 moves to left hand side, become minus 4 is equal to a. 12 minus 4 is 8 is equal to a. So a is equal to 8. So now we need to find the 29th term. T29 is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 into d. So T29 is equal to, we know the value of a is 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 28 into d is 2. T29 is equal to 8 plus 28 2s are 56. T29 is equal to 56 plus 8 is 64. Therefore, the 29th term of an AP is 64. And next, exercise number 5.2, 9th example. So the 9th example is, if the third and 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So once again I will repeat the question. If the third and 9th term of AP, 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Which term is 0? Is the question. Solution. We know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula to find nth term of an AP. But in the question, third term is given and the 9th term is also given. T3 is equal to 4. T9 is equal to minus 8. T3. T3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. T3 is nothing but 4. 4 is equal to a plus 2d, called equation number 1. And T9. T9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. So T9 is minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 is 8d, called equation number 2. Again here we need to find the value of a and d. So equation 2 minus equation 1 gives, equation 2 minus equation 1 gives, equation 2 is minus 8 is equal to a plus 8d, and equation 2 4 is equal to a plus 2d, and here sign become reversed, minus and minus. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12, plus a minus a get cancel each other. 8d minus 2d is 6d, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So d is equal to minus 2. Now put d value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become 4 is equal to a plus 2 into d is minus 2. 4 is equal to a plus into minus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 moves to left hand side, become plus 4. A is equal to 8. But the question is, which term of the AP is 0? So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we need to find the nth value. We need to find a nth value. Tn is 0. A is 8 plus n don't know as it is, and d is minus 2. So 0 is equal to 8 plus minus 2 into n is minus 2n, minus into minus plus 2. 0 is equal to 8 plus 2 10 plus into minus minus 2n. So minus 2n moves to left hand side, become plus 2n is equal to 10. 2 1 za 2 5 za, n is equal to 5. Therefore fifth term of the AP is 0. Fifth term of AP is 0.